So today I'm going to be showing you how to fit this carbon fibre G80 wheel, what's it called again? Alcantara steering wheel to this G80 M3. Doing these paddles as well. Have a little look, we'll do a little close up to the camera. Miles is going to help me as we go along.
Cool, so what are we doing first?
First we need to disconnect the battery.
Where's that?
So I was told that it's in the back of the boot. So
why?
We don't get electrocuted.
So the airbag doesn't blow up.
Okay, cool. Into the back of the boot. Okay.
Which bit are you taking off?
What do you do? Just like pull this off or what?
That up.
You lift it up. Okay.
There. Get the cover off. 10 mil there.
Yeah.
Mic Fibre over there. Don't shut the boot. Don't not shut the boot.
How are you going to open it? It's electric. There's got to be someone that's done that before. Now we need to go and take the airbag off.
How do we do that? Stick a screwdriver. There's two little bits underneath here.
Yeah.
And then you pry the airbag.
I just got a fucking...
Yeah. Oh, you done it, yeah?
There you go.
Well done.
Sick.
Be gentle.
Right.
Because it's obviously connected with wires. It's not a bomb, mate. You can
Yeah, just got to take these clips out. So
how you do it?
there we go. Oh,
Squeeze. Now we've got to get the steering wheel off, yeah? How are we doing that? The bolt.
That's the... That nearly said it.
What's that? 16. You're right with 16. Whoa.
Right. Would you ever let me do one by myself?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
Cool. Make sure before you take it off, there's other clips you're going to have to undo. Nice and easy.
Alright. Undo these bits.
So actually, we might as well remove that middle bit first. You're actually... Take that out. And then we're going to take these two out here. Let's get the carbon off.
Cool. So wait, so what we're undoing the torques here to...
Let the paddle off.
How's that?
Pull that off.
Yeah.
So now grab the screw.
Yeah.
So now that's front off. So these two torque bits here. Pull this off.
Oh. Lovely.
Legend.
Or the new and old ones.
Take these off, the end buttons.
Yeah.
So plastic guard. Okay. All of these wires to take out. And the vibrator off, please.
Oh, shit. I'm going to take this one out.
Need to remove that plastic guard.
Is that it?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that the other one. So now we've got to plug this all in here, look. Plugs into there.
Oh, yeah.
Close though, yeah? Now actually, what do we need?
Yes.
So the paddles are in. What are we doing now actually?
Put in the airbag holder. And then...
Get all the screws in loosely.
Yes.
Cool, to the other side.
So that's the steering wheel without the paddles. See all the carbon. Lovely.
Yeah, look. Now we need the paddles.
Yeah.
So if you look here, there's a little plastic pin here. Yep. 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 Yep.
Sweet.
Yep, well, just a little bit. There's that little plastic thing here.
Yeah.
So that's got to stay on there.
Yeah.
And then you put it onto the new paddle. Like so. Cool, so thread that through.
Yep.
Yep. Yes, love that. Alright, so now you screw the paddles on. Get the screw.
There we go. All
No,
by
it's
myself, yeah.
Yeah, you did it on your own. You should put it in the car.
All done. Put the paddles on, and now we're going to be putting it back on the car.
Cool. Yep.
Right, cool. And then we connect the
Clips back
clips.
up. Need to do the bolt up.
Oh, yeah.
In the middle. How tight do we do it? 140 newtons. With the bar, and then we'll... Make sure you clip it in. You clip that in, yeah? Oh, the battery.
Yeah, back of the boot.
Slide it like that. What do you reckon?
God, it's so